Hello, everybody, and welcome to Conscious Living. My name is Victoria, and I created this channel because I wanted to inspire and to motivate people to live their lives consciously and to realize that everything in life is a choice. Please take a moment to support my channel, subscribe, like my videos, leave me a comment. This is my first video in 2022 and I would like to dedicate it to the subject of the unity between the mind and the soul. The unity between the mind and the soul is mainly disturbed by the work of the pendulums. I already have created a couple of videos on the pendulums, and if you don't know what it is or you still do not understand how this concept works, I will attach those two videos in my description for your consideration. It is beneficial for pendulums to keep people under control. They pursue exclusively their own goals, and a person for them is just an instrument, a mean, a puppet. Your soul came into this world to rejoice, so allow this to happen. You and only you can decide whether to spend your whole life working for a destructive pendulum or to live for yourself, fully enjoying your life. If you choose the celebration of life, then you will need to free yourself up from the binding pendulums and to find your goal and your path. And your mind will have to come to an agreement that you don't have to be led by the pendulums your whole life. And if you will be able to unite your mind with your soul, you will receive practically anything you would wish for. You just have to get rid of the influence of pendulums and eliminate the discord between the mind and the soul. Allow yourself a luxury to be worthy of all the best. If someone imposes an idea on you that you have to work for the good of someone or something, do not believe it. If they try to prove to you that you can achieve something only by working hard, do not believe it. If they push you for fighting for your place under the sun, do not believe it. If they try to put you in your place, do not believe it. If they tell you that you will always be poor because you were born poor, do not believe it. And if they tell you that you are restricted in any way, do not believe it. You will be coming to realization, though, that the pendulums will not just leave you alone. The moment you decide that you are worthy of the best, they will create a situation to show you that you have some limitations. The moment you will feel capable of choosing your reality and your scenario, the pendulums will try to destroy your plans. The moment you feel calmness and self-confidence, they will try to get you. Do not fall for these provocations, and do not allow yourself to lose your balance. Just keep your importance to a minimum and continue to act and proceed consciously. No effort or stamina is required of you, but just a conscious intention of keeping your importance as low as possible. In this game, your possibilities are limited only by your intention, and the possibilities of the pendulums are limited only by the level of your importance and your awareness. Please show support for my channel by subscribing, liking my videos, and leaving me some feedback. I have created hundreds of videos for your consideration. I always try to keep my videos short yet very informative and to the point, and you can easily find them in my library. In conclusion, as always, I would like to sincerely thank you